Here are 5 things you need to consider when booking a cruise. Number one, when you are booking a room, go for we pick your room options. That's what I always do. Sometimes you get an ocean view window room cheaper than a cabin room that you select with your choice. So when you select with your own choice, you are paying more. So let the cruise do their job and you might hit a jackpot like I did. This is what I got when I booked a ocean window room. I got a very decent room with a very cheaper price. This was the Royal Caribbean, the Adventure of the Seas. Number two, do not purchase the excursion with the cruise before your travel, as those could be cheaper once you're landed locally. Number three, when you subscribe, join the email club with the cruise, which gives you additional $50 off coupon or sometimes more to go with. Number four, always try to book ahead if you know your travel plans, or if not, wait for the very last minute cruise deals. That way you can save more. And number five, when you are traveling for the first time, many people don't know this that the cruise charges you additional expenses like tips and gratuities and beverages purchases or exertions at the very end of your cruise. So consider that in your budget as well. So that way you don't feel like you are having additional these extra charges. If you have any additional question, please write in a comment. Thank you for watching.